You might often need to obtain URL from your subscribers. You can do that with the website URL input field of WP Fluent Forms. Just scroll to the website URL field from the general fields and click on it. You can also drag and drop it. Or click on the plus icon on your blank form and select Website URL from the drop-down menu. Now hover over the input field and click on the Edit icon. Set your element label and place your label. Choose where you want it to appear on the form, at the top or left of the field, or nowhere at all. Labels are shown at the top by default. Define your admin field label and placeholder. Choose whether this field is required or not. You can edit the error message in case you make this field required. Do further customization with the advanced options. For more details on the advanced options, go to the link provided on the description box. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon.